Hello people, welcome again to my channel. In case you're new on my channel, thanks for stopping by. My name is Oyinkansola Busayomi and you can call me Onibi. Thanks for your reviews, thanks for liking my past videos, thanks for the comments, thanks for the encouragement, and please keep staying tuned. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about something important that you might need to know. Are you someone that, like me, that likes to travel a lot, that likes to fly, that likes to travel a lot? You're always on the road, you're always traveling and all, and at times getting a ticket seems expensive. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a traveling hack to help you get very cheap and affordable tickets seamlessly, affordably, and very cheap. So please, if you like this video, remember to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to search for cheap flights. So in your Google search bar, you want to input skyscanner.com. You input skyscanner.com and search. Then search. It brings the first option which says Skyscanner, compare cheap flights, airline and tickets. So you click on that. And then it directs you to this page. I don't know, for some reasons my laptop is in German, but I will be translating any language that doesn't translate to English for you. So I have an automated, first on top there where you can see my arrow, you can see return flights, just one way, and open jaw flights. But first I'm going to be teaching you how to book a one-way ticket. That is, you're booking just to go, you're not booking coming back. So you click on just one way. My front button has an automated input which is colon. I'm going to click on that part to delete it. So I'm going to click on the colon, on the front colon, to delete that. Oopsie, you want to close anything that pops up at this point, or if you're registered, or you can just simply sign in. So that's closed. So back to it, you want to go from where the up button that shows from, you want to input the country you are traveling from. So for instance, I'm traveling from Germany. I'm going to input that in. It usually brings options of countries and all, but I don't know why it's not bringing that. I guess it's the network. I'm just going to wait a little to see if things get regulated. It's not still coming up. So I'm just going to type Germany there and leave it, and then go to the next part which shows to. So it means to the country where you're going to. So I'm going to type in London. Just type in London. If you're going to America, type in America. So I'm going to type in London, and you can see it's bringing me the options of country to go to. Then I'm going to click on London all. I'm not going to specify whether I'm going to Gatwick or Heathrow. Then I noticed the front button regulated, so I'm going back there now. Delete that, then type in Germany. And as soon as I started typing in, it started giving me the options to choose from. So I'm going to click on the first one, Germany DE. So that's sorted. And next I'm going to go to the outward journey, which means the dates that I plan to travel. Usually I always pre-book my flight, so it means if I'm traveling in January, I would have booked my flight from December. So it gives different options. I'm going to choose on the next month, click next to pick January 2022. Then I'll click on January 2022. Then if you look up, there's specific date and all month. I'm not going to pick any specific dates. I'm just going to click on all month. All month. Click on that. Then you go back down and click on the whole month of January. So it means you want prices for the whole month of January. If you're traveling in December, you pick December. If you're traveling in February, whenever you want to pick your flights or whenever you want to travel. Then you want to search. Click on search. And then when you search, it brings different options. So what this simply means is if you're traveling from Baden Airport to Baden Airport, it's 11 euros. If you're traveling from Berlin, it's 11 euros. If you're traveling from Bremen, it's 11 euros. You can see how cheap these flights are. So Dortmund is the closest airport to me, so I'm going to click on Dortmund, which is also 11 euros. So clicking on Dortmund, since Dortmund is the closest airport to me, you want to pick the airport that is closer to you. Cologne is also close, but it's not as close as Dortmund. Düsseldorf is also close, but Düsseldorf says there's a stopover. I don't want to stop over anywhere, so I'm just going to go back. I don't want to stop over, so I'm just going to go back. I'm going to go back to click on Dortmund. So when I click on that, the arrow, the price and the arrow, it directs me to the flight details. Then as you can see, it's giving different options for different prices on every day of December 2022. So you want to compare and contrast, think of which day suits you best, which day you like to travel and all. And you can notice the green, the prices in green are the cheapest prices so far. That's different prices, as you can see. On the first is 31 euros. On the second has the highest, which is 147 euros. I'm looking for the cheapest flight so far. And I can see one on the 11th. On the 8th is 16 euros. And on the 11th has the cheapest, which is 11 euros. I'm just going to click on that. 11 euros on the 11th. And it directs me to flights. You want to click on find flight. And when you do that, it's searching. It's going to give you different options. As you can see, it brought out the flight details. 1 hour 25 minutes from Germany to London. Is that not so cheap? That's very, very cheap. So it gives you the details. So your travel is a direct flight. It gives you the time when you're traveling. Then you click on that and it directs you to this part where you read everything about the journey and all. So there's Trip.com, Travel Genio, and Ryanair. Ryanair is the airline that I'll be taking us, so I would rather just click Ryanair. I can pick any other one, but I prefer Ryanair since that's the airline we're traveling with. And then it directs you to where to make payments and all. And as you can see, the flight price has reduced to 7.99 euros to 8 euros. So it gives different options. The first option I wanted to pick is 7.99. Other options like the 29 euro one, which is economy regular, is more expensive. Economy plus is 36 euros, and it has different options. So if you're traveling with additional bags or boxes, you can always add either of them. But since I'm not traveling with any, I'll just continue. Vita means continue. So it directs you to where to input your details, your email address, and every other thing. Then it also brings options for you to just pick some travel services. Well, you see, if you're not interested, most times I do not pick any of that. As you can see, that's airline insurance, airline versicherung. It means airline insurance, your travel insurance. If you do not need any of those, so do not just pick it. Then there's seat place, which means to pick a seat. But I usually do not go with any of that. But if you want to choose like first class, you can pick that. So this is the option I'm going for, 7.99. Then I click on that and it directs me to where to input my details, my phone number, my passport number, and everything. And that's it. In this next part, I'll be teaching you how to book a two-way ticket. We already did a one-way ticket initially. Just like before, from the, traveling from Germany to this time around, I'll just click on Turkey. So traveling to Turkey. Do not specify the airport, just click on the first part, TR, Turkey TR. So when it comes to date, January, you want to go back up and click on return ticket. It means you're paying for a ticket to go to Turkey and to come back from Turkey to Germany, or to go from America to London and come back from London to America. So it gives different options, and as you can see, it's bringing Istanbul. It means Istanbul, two-way ticket, a two-way ticket for 73 euros. I think that's a good deal, so I'm going to pick that. So it's showing different options. So to travel from Berlin, 73 euros. To travel from Cologne, it's 80 euros. To travel from Düsseldorf, 80 euros. I'm going to pick Düsseldorf this time around since it's the closest airport to me and it's a direct flight. So I'll click on Düsseldorf, 83 euros. As you can see, it has brought different informations, different prices for different days. So you want to click on whatever day suits you. I'm just for the explanatory purpose, I'll be spending just 1 week in Turkey. So it shows the outbound flight, which is the flight that is traveling from Germany. I'm going to pick on the 7th of January 2022. Click on that. Then on the return flight, I'm going to click on 14th, which makes it exactly 1 week. It's also 42 euros. Then I'll search for flight. It will also bring different options now, and it shows the time for travel, when you're traveling out and when you're coming back in different times. Those are things you want to put into consideration. If you'll be able to move at so time, then you click on check offer. Also, like the previous explanation, it shows different options, give different options, and there's Opodo, there's eDreams, there's Traveling, there's Pegasus Airline. Pegasus is the airline that will be taking you, so I feel more comfortable when I pick Pegasus, the main traveling airline. And then it directs you to where to pay, where to input your details, and you want to input all that you need to input. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. Kindly subscribe and remember to give a thumbs up if you want to keep getting nice videos like this. Thank you. Bye.